About this with our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford of the Hosford Law Firm. Jeff, good to have you here with us.
Thank you for having me.
As we mentioned, this bill now moving its way through the legislature, but if you will tell us at this point what a person with a concealed carry permit can do, where can they have a firearm?
Well, according to Mississippi law, there's obviously a lot of latitude right now. One of the main things you have to watch for is signs that are posted that say no firearms in this area. And there's some areas which some people contend you can and some people say you can't go. Currently courthouses are in question. A lot of courthouses have banned firearms by court order, but the law says you can carry them in those courthouses. It'll be an interesting case down the road possibly on that. Other questions arise on private individuals banning firearms in their store and whether or not your permit allows you to do that, to carry it into those stores. I would always err on the side of caution. If it says they don't want firearms in there, I would probably avoid that and find another business to partake in if you want to carry your firearm.
It seems that those who oppose this current bill that we're talking about are concerned mostly for safety, it appears.
Obviously, I don't know the intent of the legislature. It appears as though one of the things that anyone will tell you is the safety of an individual can be relied upon by themselves if they're able to carry a firearm. The concern is if someone is in a situation such as a sports event, if they lost their temper, they may do something that they normally wouldn't do with that firearm, which may lead to bigger issues. But the contrary argument is, well, I'm in the place and I have a right to defend myself, and that firearm is how I defend myself. It's an interesting argument, and I guess the legislature will decide which way we go.
Absolutely. I'm sure we'll hear a little bit more debate before this reaches a conclusion. Jeff, as always, we appreciate your perspective on it.
Thank you for having me.